While the FBAR form itself is not overly complicated, who has to file it can be pretty complicated depending on the situation. So, baseline perspective, and we're talking about individuals right now. If someone is a U.S. person, U.S. citizen, lawful permanent resident, foreign national who meets the substantial presence test, and they meet the threshold requirements for filing an FBAR, then they have to file the FBAR. If the individual is living overseas, then the question becomes, do they still have to file it? The IRS takes the position that they have to file it. There was a recent case in which it turned out that the court said, well, the taxpayer qualified to make a treaty election as a non-resident alien, and so they were not required to file the FBAR, and the non-willful penalties that were assessed should be avoided. Another very common question is if a non-resident alien spouse, so not a U.S. person, files a tax return with their U.S. person spouse and makes a 6013G election to be treated as a U.S. person for income tax purposes, does that mean they have to file the FBAR? And the general consensus is no. Why? Remember that the FBAR is not a Title 26 issue, it's a Title 31. So just because someone's making a 6013G election under Title 26 doesn't mean that they're required to file Title 31 FBAR FinCEN Form 114.